At dawn, as the first light of day broke through the mist, nature was fresh and silent.
A man named Zukong awoke from his sleep inside a small cave near the seashore.
He stood at the mouth of the cave, gazing at the sunrise shimmering above the calm ocean. He pauses, taking a moment to observe the rising sun, a critical signal that marks the beginning of the hunt and the dangers of daylight.
After a while, he walked down to the shore.
Bending his body forward, he washed his face and body with seawater.
Then he continued walking along the coastline, carrying a spear made from animal bone.
He kept walking and eating wild fruits along the way.
After some distance, he discovered a giant sea clam lying near the shore. He dragged it to the forest edge and roasted it over a fire.
The meat was delicious.
After eating, he stood up and continued his journey along the coast.
The sun grew hotter. Sweat dripped from his body. To cool off, he went back into the sea to bathe.
While he was swimming, he saw a massive shark heading straight toward him.
Terrified, he swam quickly back to shore.
The shark turned away and disappeared into the deep water.
Zukong caught his breath, calmed himself, and went on. His hunger returned, prompting him to seek breakfast. He ventured deeper into the jungle, spear in hand. He spotted a tree laden with ripe, yellow fruits. Climbing the tree with surprising agility, he gathered several fruits. He ate them quickly, savoring the sweet taste. Refreshed, he decided to explore a new part of the forest. He came across a babbling brook, its water crystal clear. Kneeling, he cupped his hands and drank deeply.
Suddenly, a large, colorful bird flew past, startling him.
After walking for some time, he saw a herd of wild boars near the coastline.
Moving quietly, he hid behind nearby rocks and waited. Then he charged forward, attacking the herd, and managed to kill one. He carried the boar toward a forest area close to the beach. There, he built a fire, cleaned the animal, and prepared to cook it.
He sharpened a long stick from a nearby tree and used it to skewer the boar whole, roasting it over the flames.
When the meat was done, he sliced off pieces and ate with satisfaction.
As night fell, the sky darkened.
Zukong gathered dry leaves and branches, made himself a place to rest, and lay down on a flat rock near the sea. Above him, the moon shone bright, and countless stars filled the night sky. Slowly, the world grew silent, and everything drifted into stillness.